So this is a loading technique to the front part of the forearm. It covers right where the wrist bends to right where the elbow bends. What you're going to need is a foam roller or a ball or something equivalent to that. You can do it on the floor like I'm going to demonstrate, but it's probably easier to do it on top of a table. First thing you want to do, or the first technique I'm going to show you, is the seek and destroy. So I'm going to find an area that's sensitive by rolling it out, and then once I find a sensitive area, I'm going to hold it there until it kind of melts out or desensitizes. Once that kind of desensitizes, then I can go and progress to another spot. Hold that area, apply pressure, and allow it to kind of melt or desensitize. Now right now, I'm going towards my elbow and going back towards my wrist, but you're more than welcome to tilt it more towards the pinky side or tilt it more towards the thumb side, wherever you feel more sensitivity. The second technique that you can try is more of the pin and stretch. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to find a spot that's sensitive. I'm going to hold that down. Once I hold that down, then I'm going to use my hand. Now I'm going to spread out my fingers and straighten it out, then use my other hand to bring my wrist back and hold that position until it kind of melts again and desensitizes. And then I can repeat that process, finding another spot, straightening out my finger, then extending my wrist and holding that back. So that's one way of doing it. The other way is actually keeping your hand relaxed and bending at the elbow or straightening it out. So from here, I can actually lean over my forearm or straighten out my elbow by leaning my body back. Wherever I feel more load, I can hold on to that like I do right now and just wait and allow it to melt.